Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they keep setting random goals with no system behind them. That's why almost everyone starts January motivated, and by February, it's gone. So if you want 2026 to actually be different, not just emotionally, but measurably, here's the exact step-by-step system that works. Step 1. Don't set goals yet. Yeah, I know that sounds backwards, but instead of asking what do I want, ask this: what would excite me enough to get out of bed consistently? Not vague things like more money or better life. What would actually change how your days feel? Maybe it's working remotely, getting in real shape, living somewhere new for a few months, having control over your time. If your goal doesn't change your daily experience, it won't last. Step 2. Attach a strong why. Every real change needs a reason. Either a dream you genuinely want, or the fear of staying exactly where you are. Picture yourself 1 year from now doing the same things, stuck with the same problems. If that doesn't scare you a little, nothing else in this video will work. Your why is the fuel. Without it, systems don't matter. Step 3. Choose only 3 outcomes. Not 10, not 20, just 3 outcomes for 2026. I recommend one from each category. Health, money, purpose. Example: be in the best shape of your life. Earn money independently. Build a skill or project that you're proud of. More goals doesn't mean more progress. It means more distraction. Step 4. Reverse engineer everything. This is where most people finally win. Take one outcome and work backwards. If you want to get fit, how many workouts per week? How many calories? How many weeks? If you want income, how much per month? What skill or platform? How many hours per week? Big goals stop being scary when they turn into daily actions. Step 5. Work in 90-day blocks. A year is too long to stay focused, so break 2026 into 4 90-day seasons. For each season, one main priority, one habit, one measurable result. If you win the next 90 days, you automatically win the year. Step 6. Focus on one thing per week. Each week should have one priority, not 5. 1. If you complete it, the week is a success. Progress comes from finishing important things, not being busy. Step 7. Control your inputs. What you consume becomes what you act on. If your goal is fitness, watch fitness content. If your goal is money, listen to people building things. And most importantly, reduce short-form content. It gives cheap dopamine and kills long-term motivation. You can't build a future on constant stimulation. Final rule: count the cost. Every outcome has a price. Abs cost discipline. Freedom costs focus. Independence costs comfort. If you're not willing to pay the cost, that's okay. Just stop pretending you want the result. But if you are willing, then 2026 won't be lucky. It will be inevitable, because when you take small, intentional actions every day toward a clear outcome, change stops being optional